Well, starting to get to the home stretch. Now I can see my vehicle, that white spot in the center of the frame. I gotta get down to that. So I got a good couple 100 feet to lose. Probably the safest ways to go around here. Going down, I mean, I'm just barely starting the steep decline, so I gotta be very careful going down this one. Linear distance is pretty short from here, probably about 0.2 miles of hiking left, but as you can see there, slippery. Maybe I should have brought my hiking poles for this one. So going down this, just be very careful. Try to go where your footing is easiest. Sometimes it helps if you don't have hiking gear, is to hike closer to the shrubs. You know, be careful not to be near poison oak. That was the only poison oak plant I've seen up here. But sometimes it's good to stay closer to the shrubs, where you might be able to grab a branch if you see yourself starting to slip. Yeah, the footing's a lot harder on the way down. Hiking up this ain't no piece of cake either, but hiking down this is no joke at all. So just watch your footing coming down. Get back to my car in about 10 minutes. It'll probably take me about that to navigate the crazy slope here. Hiking up this is more physically taxing because you're using your cardio, but hiking down this is a lot more technical because the stuff is slippery and loose. So yeah, I was kind of dreading this little part on the way back. A little bit, but just take your time going down and you should be fine. Like I said, you might have to risk a scrape or two, but if you gotta hike nearby the chaparral bushes, so if you have to grab onto a branch to keep yourself from taking the plunge. It's very much recommended. And also try to go for the steady rocks. You know, sometimes walking in the middle of the path on a firebreak is the touchiest part. Wow, somebody's driving an old classic car up here? I don't know. Nice car, but I don't know if I would want to drive a classic car like that here in the in the narrow roads of the area. Nice car, like I said, but I would rather be careful. Maybe take something that can tolerate some craziness like this. Alright. Well, I should be back down in a few minutes. I'll see you down at the bottom for a wrap up. See you in a few.